Good morning. Thanks for joining us today. Today we have a very fun truck today. We have a 2022 Ford Ranger with Waldoc's Rampage package. Now Waldoc is a certified upfitter for Ford. They've been in business since 1974, and this is one of their top of the line packages for the Ranger off-road packages here. Want to go ahead and take you from the top here. This is a 501A Lariat, fully loaded Bang & Olufsen sound system. We've got the Sport package. Waldoc went ahead and took the badge here and color matched it to the carbonized gray exterior. And we've got some fog lights as well as the Sport package bumper here with some tow hooks, as well as your Lariat specific dual bar bumper or grill. This is the 2.3 liter inline 4 turbo. This is 270 horsepower at 310 feet-pounds of torque. It is plenty of power. I love this motor, folks. It's the only engine option available right now, backed by the 10-speed auto. Very good package, very good towing capacities and power. Honestly, you can't ask for very much more with this package as well. This vehicle, as it is the Lariat package, we do have all of the blind spot and co-pilot features. We've got front sensors here. We're gonna have adaptive cruise control, forward sensing collision sensing system, so it's gonna let you know and help you lay on the brakes if you're gonna rear end somebody. Fantastic features. Very safe vehicle. Ford really likes to rest their hat on the safety technology and features of these vehicles. Coming around the side here, you'll see the pocket style fender flares. That's probably one of the most noticeable features of these Rampage packages and these vehicles that we do, and it is color matched to the carbonized gray. You gotta love it. Lariat badging here. Checking out the lift package. This is a 3.5-inch lift. We do have some beautiful 33-inch tall tires with 20-inch custom black and silver rims here from Waldoc, and you'll do notice the Waldoc badging here on your rims. This is a BDS suspension lift kit too as well. Fantastic name in the brand. You really can't go wrong with BDS system. Very popular, very well known. One of my favorite features here, exclusive only to the Rampages and M80s, but we're looking at a Rampage today, is these badges. These do light up, folks. It's one of my favorite features. Only available on the Rampage. It is exclusive only. One of Waldoc's exclusive custom touches here with the Rampage. Absolutely adore that. You'll also notice the lovely HDX heavy-duty steel bumpers here. Welded look, folks. Honestly, looks good. It looks tough. You can't go wrong with the HDX. All right, folks, I wanted to take a second here to talk to you about the warranties here that come with this truck. You do have lifts here. You do have some customization here with the Waldoc Rampage package. You maintain all of your factory warranties. Everything that Waldoc does is a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper that matches the factory as well. Gotta love that. You can take it to any Ford store here across the country, the U.S. continental country here. Honestly, you have a ton of support and options here. You can't go wrong with anything here. Love to take a second here, folks, and show you the interior. Come on in, check this out. Love to show you the leather interior that comes with the Lariat package that Waldoc takes you with. This is the 501A. Notice the Waldoc badging here on the side since 1974. They also took the interior accents there and gave you some carbon fiber trimming here. Very nice, custom, looks good. You do get the Bang & Olufsen sound system here with this vehicle. This is the 501A again, folks. Let you know that that has the Sync 3, 8-inch touchscreen, all of the luxury features that come with this. So this is top of the line to match the top of the line Rampage package, folks. Coming on back to the second row here, you do have second row seating, folks, and honestly, I love it. You do have some excellent input and output options there. There's 2 USB cable options there, as well as a wall outlet. Lovely leather interior there from the factory with the white stitching. Excellent second row seating. Nice options there. Coming on to the back, folks, here. Rampage badging from Waldoc, absolutely fantastic. Let everybody know that you've got the big package here. Again, you can see the pocket fender flares on the rear. Some safety features and technology back here, as well as some Waldoc badging. Again, just like the front badge, you do get the color-coded or color-keyed matched Ford emblem. Waldoc sticker badging here. Now, this is the tow package from Ford, so this does get you the 7,500 pounds of towing. You got the 4N 7-pin connection with the hitch. You're all set with the reverse sensing. Also, some nice technology feature to show you from the factory. The blind spot does cover your trailer as well. So if you do tow or anything like that, you do have some nice blind spot coverage. Opening up the tailgate for you here. You do have the spray-in bed liner from the Ford. This is Ford's Tough Bed Spray Liner. And we also feature the tonneau cover from Truxedo. This is the Pro X15. It's a roll-up tonneau cover. This is kind of our standard option. We have tons of options for you. I just sold a Ranger yesterday. We're putting a hard roll-up tonneau cover on it. So we can customize some options for you, So just because we have it set up this way, we can make it your own and give you the preferred accessories. Coming up front here, we also have some technology features I'd love to go over with you here. Blind spot features here with the 501A package. It is part of the Copilot. We do have the door code here. Waldock did key code this as well with the carbonized gray. Again, you'll find that's a very nice theme here with Waldock. They do match everything with the exterior color here, which is carbonized gray. Again, you'll see that lovely light up Waldock badge and LED light up badge. That is my favorite. I absolutely adore that. Coming up front here, again, you'll see the leather interior that comes with the 501A. One little feature here too, you do get the Waldock 1 of 100. This one actually is 97 of 100, so 100 Rampages this year. This one's 97. Love that exclusivity. Also, another great feature with this Lariat package is you have the power folding mirrors right above the power adjustable mirrors. Fabulous feature when trying to stow vehicles in your garage. That power folding mirror is a must. Leather wrapped steering wheel again with that Lariat package, and this one again is the 501A with the tech, so you have adaptive cruise control. You have all of Ford's technology and safety features as well. All right, thanks for joining us here in the interior. Love to go over some features and factory benefits here from the 501A Lariat package here. We do have an 8-inch touchscreen here from Sync 3. This is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable, folks. Go ahead, plug those into the USB outlets, and away you go. You do have digital climate control as well as the buttons controls there, so you can do either or as far as your climate control options. It is dual climate control here as well with heated seats. Absolutely nice here in Minnesota. This is a Rampage package. We do have a lift. We also have some off-road technology to back it up. We have 4x4 high, low, as well as some trail mode options, which do engage certain options, lockers, 4x4 high and low. Not to mention, you can go ahead and engage your rear locker when you need to on your own if you don't need Ford to help you with your off-roading. You do have some trailer control modes there as well to help you with your towing. Again, you have 7,500 pounds of towing. This is a fantastic truck for towing as well. 10-speed automatic transmission is going to help you out a lot there too. You do notice a lot of the, I do love this carbon fiber and accents in here. You'll also notice it's also here on the steering wheel. You'll also have your Bluetooth commands, take your phone calls wirelessly, as well as your adaptive cruise control options here as well. Lovely leather wrapped steering wheel with the stitching. I'm a huge fan of that as well. When you do come in, folks, we will give you a total rundown of the vehicle, features, benefits, everything like that. All right, folks, thanks for joining us on our video here for our 2022 Ford Ranger with Waldock's Rampage package. Again, we are Waldock's preferred dealer here at Freeway Ford. We carry the most Waldock inventory here in the Midwest. We do have F-150s available for you. We can always take your vehicle and give you one of these packages as well. Give us a call. You can always reach us here at Freeway Ford or check us out online at freewayford.net.